Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with me, Kartina Brigani. I'm your mobile app trainer, and today we're going to show you how to create an app which is a travel app. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, like what we have mentioned to you before, our system is a system that allows you to build app without any coding required to start with, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, if you would like to learn coding later on, please feel free. It's up to you because our system can be customized. Everything we have, all the layout and so on, can be customized via CSS, can be customized via HTML, can be customized using Java and PHP, but you must iframe it and then upload into our page that is called source code. But for majority of our users, our target is build app without coding. All right, so at the end of the day, based on our experience, we have a lot of people who comes and join our program, and they say, Katina, this toolkit is very helpful because I have went and learned coding and so on. I could not even finish my first app. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been to a 7 days workshop using Android Studio, using Xcode to build apps, but at the end of the day, I can't publish because it's just a training app. Okay, and it's not fit for publishing. Okay, to publish I need to do a lot of things, but today I'm going to show all of you, okay, with our system, non-coding at all required, you are able to build apps your own. Okay, and the next 14 days we'll have many more apps coming up, a bit more customized, like e-hailing app, e-commerce app, business app, appointment apps, or simple app like today, a travel app. For me, travel app is a very simple app. E-card will do, a greeting card, and so on. So many more coming for the next 14 days. We have more than 100 features, but I think 14 apps will be enough for all of you to have a better picture of what type of apps you can build, and most importantly, to prove all of you that you can build app without coding. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into our system, and uh, let's go into the slide now. Oops, not yet. Okay, let's go to the builder. Okay, what I'm going to show you, this is already a ready app, a very simple app. Okay, so this is the Visit Malaysia app. And what I want to show you here, this is the layout, intro layout, and I have few things here. All right, so info is about the country. Okay, let's go here, top 20 must visit. Okay, so we have Kuala Lumpur, Langkawi, Melaka, and so on. So let's go into Kuala Lumpur. All right, there's a image, there's some information, and then people can tap into the map. All right, so let's go back. Okay, this is Langkawi. This is a very simple one because I just want to do short and sharp. Okay, I just want to show you. All right, and because this is a travel app, how do we make income from it? Okay, we can actually put an affiliate link, and then whenever people do hotel bookings and so on, you will be able to actually generate some income. All right, let's go home. Okay, so let's go and see. Okay, I've put in some local words so that this is to help travelers who come to Malaysia and so on. So basically, this is a very simple app. Okay, to my level, we can put actually weather, we can put currency converter, and so many things. This is to share so that our users are able to share to Android and also to their iOS users. This is latest news. This is push notification, and because we are doing travel app, we have to put in some disclaimer. And because we are collecting information, although it goes into the affiliate account, but our apps is collecting information, so we have to put some privacy policy. So this is basically a very simple app. Okay, let's go in and do. Okay, although I say it's very simple app, a lot of, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of us are not able to do this because if you were to build an app, you need to actually do codings and so on. But here, using our system, ladies and gentlemen, you are able to build your own. All right, so now what we do, I'm going to click here, create new application. Okay, let's look what is the timing to now. It's 4:25. So I'm going to put here Langkawi. Okay, visit Langkawi, right? Langkawi is one of the district in Malaysia. Okay, it's under the state of Kedah and is a very popular tourist spot. If you are coming down to Malaysia, please do visit Langkawi. All right. Okay, so we are in the app builder now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, if you want to know the function of what all these and so on, ladies and gentlemen, please refer my other videos. Okay, for our workshop members, they get more detailed information. Okay, it's all in our AMB Academy. So I'm going to take out, I don't like to build app via templates, although people love to build app via templates. Okay, I like to start from scratch, but our starting from scratch is non-coding. All right, so we are in editor design. Okay, first and foremost, we need to put a homepage image. And before that, ladies and gentlemen, okay, I'm going to change the layout. We have more than 80 layout and we keep on updating this layout to help you to go for the latest trends and so on. So as you go in, okay, definitely there will be layout that will fit all your requirement, okay, based on your own business and so on. So there are many layouts. For our workshop members, we have details of each these. Okay, you can actually just click here and we can just see, all right, a bit better as if there is images there. So I'm going to go in and choose a simple layout. Okay, let me choose the same layout that I choose for the Malaysia one, which is this layout. So I'm going to double click that. Okay, all these layout, ladies and gentlemen, for those who are programmers, can be amended via CSS. Okay, so that you can see here the box, you can change it to a different, like round shapes and so on. Everything can be changed, ladies and gentlemen. All right, however, to build app using our system, there's no need to even learn coding. That one, if you want to advance later on, you have a lot of apps published already and you want to learn second step, yes, please do so. But first and foremost, build app first. Okay, no need to wait. Okay, so I've already selected the layout. Okay, so now there's no image yet. So I go down, I'm going to upload the image here. So I've just prepared a very simple homepage image. Okay, okay, so I'm going to put in how to actually create all these images, ladies and gentlemen, in our AMV toolkit. If you join us, we'll share all the tools. There's no need to pay anything extra. All right, and all this font and so on, you can change to based on your own liking. Okay, all right. I don't want to talk too much because I can talk until the end for hours and hours. Okay, but I just want to do this fast. Okay, so we have already put in the image, so I can click here. So this is our like an emulator previewer. You could also download into your smartphone and see it real. But for us today, this is good enough. Okay, come on, let's go in. All right, so it's in. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so we're going to go to features. Okay, colors is to make amendments on certain things in the homepage image, and also colors is where you go for the CSS if you want to make changes. Okay, but I'm not going to show that because majority of our users are non-coders. They just want to know how to start first. Okay, so we have more than 100 features here, ladies and gentlemen. To be exact, we have 130 features, including if you put into the modules here. When we build app, we don't use all the features. All right, so now I'm going to start. Okay, I'm not explaining what are these. If you want to know what are these, please refer to our other videos. So I'm going to, first and foremost, just for information, so I'm going to choose a custom page. Okay, beside this custom page, ladies and gentlemen, you can see there's a source code page. You can also customize and put HTML5 there. You can also use the source code with PHP and Java, but you must iframe it and then you can upload it there. Okay, those are for programmers or those people who wants to advance later. But for majority of us, let's do this. All right, that's how I start building apps. Okay, okay, so now, okay, let me just refresh the page first because I can't see the menu here, because as we select, the menu must come out here. It's going to rain in my place, so sometimes that does happen if the internet line not so good, so we just refresh it. All right, so I'm going to click custom page. Okay, bear in mind I have already prepared a bit of images and some information. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I'm going to put here, what is this? Okay, about Langkawi. Okay, this is about Langkawi. Okay, I'm going to put cover. I'm going to put some image there. All right, so let's do this. Okay, let me put cover. Okay, let me just choose an image. Okay, I have to resize that. Okay, this looks nice. So let me put just this. Okay, so I'm going to put some text. Okay, let me find where is the text. Hang on. Okay, so yep. So I'm going to put this. This is text. All right. Okay. I'm going to save that. Okay, I'm going to need to put in a map. So map will require me to put a keyword. Okay, let me Google Map API. So for our workshop members and also our online members, okay, you will be able to actually see the that's where we go, setting API, how to actually pick up the Google Map API. All right, so please refer to the video. But in order for the map to come out, I need to put in the Google Map API. Yeah, so put here and let me save this. Because if we don't put in the Google Map API, the address, the map will not work. So I have to do that first. Okay. So let me just go back to editor. I go back to features. Okay, I go back. What Langkai did I save it just now? Because there's no auto save, ladies and gentlemen. You must save it. All right, so it's in. Okay. Okay. However, the text is not in because I did not save just now. So never mind. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's in. Okay, all right. Okay, so because the internet line is a bit slow, so let me put in address. So this is Google Map. Okay, so I'm going to put here tab to location. I'm building this app from scratch, ladies and gentlemen. The only thing that I have prepared is that I have prepared the images. That's all. So let's put here Langkawi. So if I don't put the Google Map API, this will not work. So I'm going to display this, display address, display location button, and click save. And there are many more things that you can add on here. You can put in many more images and so on, but that is good enough. I just want to show. All right. Okay. So, all right. Okay. Let me just check. Okay, so yeah, that's in. Okay, so next one, what we will do is that we want to put in the location, that nice place that we have in Langkawi. So this is very simple. Let's use a custom page again because Langkawi is a nice place, ladies and gentlemen. There's so many places to visit. Uh, I've worked there before, my early part from 1994 up to 2006. You see Tanjung Ru Resort in Langkawi? Yeah. I was involved in that project. Okay, so of course, my first one, I will put Tanjuru. I'm still very loyal to this place. Tanjuru. Okay, we are just going to put in just the, because we are going to put this in a folder. So let me see where's my custom page. So there are about 25 nice places in Langkawi that you must visit. But I'm going to just put 5 just to show you. Okay, so let me see. Underwater, water world, underwater, water world. Okay, let me see. Where's custom? Okay, custom page is something that we can use multiple times. There are some of these pages that we can only use once. Okay, like push notification. When we have selected, we cannot find it in add pages anymore. Okay. Okay, let me just do another 2 more location. Okay. Then I'm going to add on few things. Okay. But I think, never mind, just add on Tanjuru. Okay. But all the other things, you can do it. I just want to show that we put into a folder. Okay, what are other places in Langkawi? Okay. Uh, Air hangat. And of course, kuah. Okay. Yes, kuah is a place in Langkawi, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. That's the main town area in Langkawi, which is called kuah. Okay, so there are many more. Okay, we can just add on, but I'm not going to do that because we just want to create some just to have some idea for all of you. Okay, so now I'm going to create a folder so that we can put all these nice location into a folder. We have, I know Langkawi there's about 25 nice places. Okay, my suggestion is because of the lockdown, ladies and gentlemen, do visit local. Okay, so now this is must visit, and language you can put in any language. You can put in, as long as it's not even alphabet. You can put Arabic, you can put Chinese characteristic, and so on. So I'm going to put here must visit. Okay, and let's go down and choose this Tanjuru. Okay, underwater world, Pulau Dayang Puting. Okay, each time I click is actually going into this folder. Okay, so we are now creating the content of the app. And I'm doing a travel app. It could be your business app, alright? Okay, it could be your business information about your services and so on. So you see, everything is in already. Okay, and we could do a subfolder. And the best is actually we need to change these images. Okay, let me see if I have images ready for this. I did not prepare for this just now. Let me just see if I have the older one. Okay, let me see, do I have folders? Yeah, I have folders. Okay, so let me just put in some folders here, but this is not Langkawi, but this is Malaysia. Okay, all the sizes, okay, is already here. Okay, 960 by 600, 512. So you do not need to memorize it, but eventually after you have been building a lot, it's going to be just instant. You know, if you have folder, you have to put in all these images, and you can prepare while you are preparing all the images. Okay, so we have finished off our second menu, which is places to visit in Langkawi. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu. So we have two now. Okay, now I'm going to choose link. Okay, link don't have miscellaneous. We have to go to all. Okay, this is for the hotel booking so that we can earn affiliates income. So there are many affiliates out there, ladies and gentlemen. There's agoda.com. There's so many. Okay, but for our members, we share with them to show how steps to open an affiliates account. Okay, then you can put in Okay, most importantly, you must register. Okay, all right. So now each time you select the page, it will go up to the menu, and then this will open up, the page setting will open up, and now we need to put in. So let's change this, book your hotel room. Oops, but I'm using that layout. I cannot put too many words. Okay, because you see, because of this, cannot put too many words. Okay, if too long, then it will not be seen. Okay, so the link there, I've actually prepared hotel code. Okay, so I have this, I already changed this to Malaysia. So let me check this. So whatever city that we have, we can change this. So I'm going to check whether I can change this to Langkawi. Okay, so let me just copy this again. Okay, so okay, for our workshop members and our online members, don't worry. Okay, we have complete video on how to actually create this affiliates account, and you can just follow through. Okay, let's see. Sometimes if it is too small of the district, it cannot pick up. Okay, yeah, it can pick up Langkawi, that's great, but you cannot copy this is not your affiliate link. Okay, you must go back to your affiliate link, which is this one, because then you have your affiliate code. If you copy that, you will not get any income. All right, so we want it to open inside the app. Okay, and we click save. Okay, there's a lot of option here, and all this option is based on your own liking. Okay, so you can always test it out. Okay, so we now have 3. Let me just put in the local words. So local word is still custom page, and I'm going to put in currency converter. But currency converter will require an API. I'm not going to show how to pick up the API, but for our online members and workshop members, they will be able to see that in our academy. Okay, the line not so good today because it's going to rain. Okay, so I'm going to change these local words. Okay, and then I'm just going to put in, okay, I'm just going to put in just text. Where is the local words? Okay, I'm going to put in here. Okay, change the size so that it will be a bit bigger. Okay, this is just exactly like Microsoft Word. Okay, okay, I'm going to save that. Okay, so let's go on. I'm going to put in a currency converter. On. Okay, I'm not changing the icon. Okay, go to all, go to currency converter. Okay, because if you have foreigner coming in, so currency converter will help them. Okay, okay, let's remain that as currency converter. Whether we have weather, I'm not going to put that in. Okay, I'm going to put in image. Okay, I'm going to put here the image gallery so that our user are able to take pictures and it's being kept inside the app. One of the strategy to make sure that they don't uninstall our app after that. Okay, I'm going to put here, keep your memories. Okay, alright. Okay, I'll do the setting later on. Okay, now what? Okay, I'm going to put in a push notification. Okay, okay, here it will come out like that because it will require push notification can only be sent via a smartphone. Okay, and then we need to put in a disclaimer. So I'm going to choose another custom page because it involves people making bookings and so on, and they will be using our app going around the area, so we need to protect ourselves. For our members, there's already disclaimer in our Facebook group, so please just download it and upload inside the app. All right, and finally we need to put in the privacy policy. Okay, this is normal international standard. Okay, and everything is ready, the words is there for you, no need to for you to amend or whatever this is. But if you want to add on certain things, is your choice. Okay, so basically our content is ready. As you see, it will pick up the name of the app. So you see, visit Langkawi application, so it's ready. Okay, all right. Okay, so next, what do we do? Actually, all these icon need to change, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, for our members, please make sure use the tools that we have given to you on how to actually download. That will take you another what, 10-15 minutes. All right, then they should be ready. Then let's go to application. Alright, so we can change our application here if you wish to do so. Okay, so that's why don't worry, whatever you put in front before publishing, you can change. So let me now put in the icon. Okay, I just prepared a simple one for Langkawi. Okay, so all these back button you can change. I prefer these, and you can also change via CSS here. Okay, but that's not a requirement, ladies and gentlemen. I publish hundreds of apps without even touching any coding at all. But there's something that it allows you to learn to advance later on, especially when we have younger crowd joining our workshop. Okay, people who are a bit seniors, older like us, we don't care all those things. Main thing, we build our apps, we can share with our friends, we make money, and so on. For you, if you are an entrepreneur, you build app for your business. Okay, people can contact you, see your products, order things that will be good enough. Okay, so this is a splash screen. Okay, let me change. I'm using the same splash screen as the homepage image. Okay, so let me go back to the homepage image. So I'm going to choose the same. You can actually design something else. Okay, for my own apps development, normally I will actually put in something else. This is image that will come up for a short while when a user open your app. Okay, so we have nearly completed our app and we started 12:25. Now it's 4:50. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, all right. Okay, the splash screen will take a bit more time to go in. Normally, let's refresh. Sometimes if the internet is not good, we might have to upload it twice. Okay, but let's see. In my place today, the internet not so good, but let's see how it goes. Alright, this is in, but as you see, the icon is not in. Okay, it's gone. Okay, let's try and put this again. Okay, sometimes that do happen due to internet. Okay, it open properly, and let's click OK again. Okay, so that's in. Okay, this is in, that it open properly, and let's now go to publication. Okay, so you need to change this bundle ID is actually for iOS. This package name is actually for Android. How to go about creating this package name and bundle ID, please refer our video on that. And this is monetization at mob. Of course, we want to monetize how to open your mob account, how to actually pick up all this code. Please refer to the tutorial that we have given earlier. Okay, and this is your application is ready to be published. So what I will do, ready publish my app. Okay, and I'm going to click save. Oop, hang on, I must click here first and click save. Okay, it's alerting me because I didn't do that. Never mind, sometimes we also make mistake. Okay, let's do that again. Sometimes we want to do two things too fast. Alright, so now I go back here and I generate the APK, ladies and gentlemen. And with the APK, I can test a final one. Okay, make some more changes if I wish to do so. And next, I can go to Google Play Store and publish, and I can download the source code, and I can use Xcode and actually publish it to Apple. Yep. Okay. All manuals and tutorials are being given via the AMB Academy, and for all our members, okay, we give them support via Telegram or WhatsApp, so that if you have any problem, please do check out with us. Okay, as you see now, the source code is up, so I can just click and generate APK, and I'm on the way to publish my app to the Play Store. And currently for Play Store, new publisher will take about 3 to 5 days for approval. All right, and that one is Google Play Store checking and so on. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, okay, let's go back to the slide, and I wish all of you the best. Okay, we are able to finish off our first app, not even 20 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. But however, please do bear in mind, I have already prepared the images. I've also prepared some text and so on to put inside the app. Okay, combine all those preparation and so on, it will not take you more than 1 hour. Okay, if you continuously focus to build apps. Okay, that's why our tagline, create apps in record time. 1 hour full-fledged app is something not able to do if you are doing coding. And please do bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to repeat this again. Okay, because somebody pop up in my Facebook fan page and saying that I'm telling a lie, saying that our system cannot do coding. All what you see inside the system can be customized via CSS, or the layout that I selected. Everything can be customized via CSS, and we have a source code page which is called a HTML. Not is a page called source code, which we can put HTML, and also you can also upload Java and PHP, but that needed to be iframe. All right, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of you to come and join us in AMD. All right, and use our system and start building your app. With that, thank you so much. All the best.